Now we discuss another topic, which is regression analysis. Regression analysis is a technique to find the value of one variable with the help of another variable. For example, if there exist two types of variables related to demand and supply. Okay, you know the value of demand. On the basis of that demand value, you can find the value of supply by using the regression equation. On the other hand, if you know the value of supply, and you can find the value of demand also by using the regression technique. So, finding the value of one variable with the help of another variable, that is the technique used in this regression analysis. And the formula developed to find a regression is called method of least square. Method of least square. So, under the method of least square, we can find a regression analysis or regression equations by using some formula. There exist two types of regression equations or two types of regression lines. The first one is regression line of x on y. It means if you know the value of y, you can find the value of x by using this formula. So you are finding the value of x, therefore x is equal to a plus by. You know the value of y. You know the value of y, and to find the value of x, you can use this formula. Okay. So x is equal to a plus by. But in this formula, there is two more variables, a and b. You can solve this formula only if know the value of a and b also. To find the value of a and b, you have to use two more formulas. These are sigma x is equal to na plus b sigma y. As it is overwritten here, I showed it more clear in the brackets. This is not the part of the formula. Formula is sigma x is equal to na plus b sigma y. As it is overwritten, I made it clear in the bracket. Okay. This is sigma y, b sigma y. Okay. Then one more formula, sigma xy is equal to a sigma y plus b sigma y square. Okay. Here n is equal to number of pairs of x and y. I make it clear at the time of solving a question. So these are the equations for regression line of x on y. Okay. Another is regression line of y on x. If you know the value of x, then you can find the value of y by using this formula. Y is equal to a plus b x. You know the value of x. By using that value, you can find the value of y. Then you have to use this formula, y is equal to a plus b x. But to get these a and b values, you have to use two more formulas. Sigma y is equal to na plus b sigma x, and sigma xy is equal to a sigma x plus b sigma x square. Okay. Thus, there exist two types of regression lines or two types of regression equation. One is regression line of x on y, and another is regression line of y on x. And two sets of formulas are also there to find these regression equations. Okay. Now, I explain these equations with the help of a question. Here is a question. Find two regression lines from the following. Two sets of data are available in the question, x and y. X values are here 5, 10, 15, 20, 25 x values, and similar y values 20, 40, 30, 60, 50. Y values are also here. So this is a question. From this question, now we are framing two equations, regression line of x on y and a regression line of y on x. As it is asked in this question, find two regression lines. Okay, and if you check your previous exam questions, you can find these type of questions asked there. Okay, so it's an important topic. Here, if you check the formula, you can find that what are the requirements that we have to prepare. For example, sigma x. We can find a sigma x by totaling x column, isn't it? Then sigma y. By totaling y column, we get sigma y. Then we require xy, sigma xy. So we have to prepare another column, xy column. Then y square column. And when you come to this formula, you need a x square also. So we need a x, y, both are available in the question. Then xy, y square and x square. These are the other requirements to solve this question. Okay. For that purpose, we have to prepare a table. Come to this table. You can see the x values given in the question are here. The y values are also in the question. It is written here. Then we require x square, y square and xy as per the requirements of the formula. Isn't it? See the formula? We need y square, xy and x square. That is why we had written 3 other columns are here. X and y variables are available in the question. Take the total of x, you get sigma x. Take the total of y, you get sigma y. Then we need x square. Each and every x value should be squared. 5 into 5, 25. 10 into 10, 100. 15 into 15, 225. In this way, each and every x value should be squared and you get x square value. Okay. After getting this x square, take the total of that, you get sigma x square. Okay. Then y square. Y values are here. Square each and every y values. 20 into 20, 400. 40 into 40, 1600. In this way, square all the y values and write up this column. Then take the total of this y square column, you get a sigma y square. Now, xy column. X value and its corresponding y value are multiplied here. 5 into 20, 100. Then 10 into 40, 400. In this way, each x value and its corresponding y value is multiplied and shown here, which is xy column. Ultimately, take the total of this column, which is sigma xy. Now we got all the requirements of the formula: sigma x, sigma y, then sigma x square, sigma y square, and sigma xy. Okay. Now we are going to prepare the regression lines or regression equations. As this is a lengthy topic, I explain the further solution in the next video. You can continue the topic in the next video. Okay.